Lesson 15, Unit 15. Why monkey has no home? Bizu wali his kurnalari. Affair means mamela. Ya waqia ya car. An affair is an event or a thing that happened. My wife and I attended a formal affair where ma khazi munga yo rasmi jashan ki barkha wakhist over the weekend do nahi papai. Assembly means shura, Gwanda. Assembly is a group that is together for the same reason. The students had an assembly to talk about their interests. شاګردانو یو شورا جوړه کړې وه ترڅو د هغوی د دلچسپۍ په اړه خبرې وکړي. Bless means رحم کول، رحمت کول. To bless is to ask God for protection or help. The angel blessed the newborn baby to keep it safe. د ملائکې په د نو پیدا شوي ماشوم باندې به رحم وکړل ترڅو محفوظ یې وساتي. Cereal means غلجات یا حبوبات. Cereal is food that you mix with milk and eat for breakfast. Cereal is a fast and common breakfast food enjoyed in the US. Cereal چې د تیز او عام سباناري خواړه دي چې په US کې خلک خوند ترې اخلي. Cheerful means خوشاله. If someone is cheerful, they are happy or feel good. The children were cheerful because they didn't have to go to school. ماشومان خوشاله و ځکه مجبور نه و چې مکتب ته لاړ شي. Diameter means نقطه د یو دایرې یا د یو څه. The diameter of a round thing is the length across its center. The diameter of the tree was about 22 centimeters. د مرکزی نقطه د ونې چې وه 22 سانتیمتره وه. Exploit means استفاده کول. To exploit something is to use it for greedy reasons rather than good reasons. The company exploits their workers and makes them stay 12 hours a day. کمپنی خپلو کارګرانو نه استفاده کوي او هغوی مجبوروي چې 12 ساعته په ورځ کې کار وکړي. Famine means وچکالي. A famine is a long time with little or no food. The farmers couldn't grow any food on the dry soil, so there was a famine. بزګران نشو کولای چې کم خواړه وکري په دې وچه خاوره باندې، نو وچکالي راغلې وه. Harvest means حاصل. A harvest is the act of collecting food from farming. They had a lot of wheat from the last harvest. آخر حاصل څخه دوی ډېر زیات غنم لاسته راوړل. Merry means خوشاله. If someone is merry, they are very happy. They felt merry because the weather was great. هغوی خوشاله احساس وکړه ځکه هوا ډېره ښه وه. Nut means زړی. A nut is a hard seed or fruit that comes from some trees and bushes. To eat a nut, ترڅو چې یو زړی یې وخورو, first you have to crack its shell. باید پوستکی یې مات کړو. Pardon means توجه راګرځول د یو نفر. To pardon is a way to ask someone to repeat what was said before. Pardon me, teacher. وبخښئ استاده. But could you repeat what you just said? کولی شئ تکرار کړئ تاسو ویلې. Pharaoh means فرعون. If Pharaoh was a king in ancient Egypt, the pharaohs ruled Egypt for thousands of years. فرعون په مصر باندې په زرهاو کاله حکومت وکړ. Ripe means پوخ. When a fruit is ripe, it is ready to be eaten. The cherries were nice and ripe. Alubalo چې ډېر ښه وو او پاخه وو. Roast means سرکول. To roast something is to cook it in an oven over a fire. Mom roasted a turkey for the holiday dinner. د رخصتي د شپې ډوډۍ لپاره مور فیلمرغ سور کړ. Routine means روزمره فعالیت. A routine is a way of doing things that is the same every time. My father's daily routine includes shaving right before breakfast. زما د پلار روزمره فعالیت چې دی په شمول دغه روزمره right before breakfast سوانري څخه ګیره کلول دي. Scheme means plan. A scheme is a plan or design. Mickey and Minnie came up with a scheme to solve the problem. Mickey and Minnie یو plan را پیدا کړ ترڅو مشکل حل کړي. Slim means نری. If something or someone is slim, they are thin. Look at my new cell phone. It's very slim. زما نوی موبایل ته وګوره ډېر نری دی. Stove منقل ته هم وایي، بخاري ته هم. A stove is a device used to cook food. Our new stove helps us to cook food and much faster than before. زموږ نوی بخاري موږ سره مرسته کوي چې د نور مخکې څخه تیز خواړه پخه کړو. Theft means غلا. Theft is a criminal act that involves someone stealing something. The theft of his TV took place when he was at work. د هغې غلا هغه وخت وشو کله چې هغه په کار کې و. Coming to why monkey has no home. شادي ولې هیڅ کور نه لري. For 5 years there was a famine. 5 کالو پورې یې وچکالي وه. The farmers asked people to bless them and finally they had a good harvest. بزګرانو د خلکو څخه غوښتنه وکړه چې دعا ورته وکړي او بالاخره دوی یو ښه حاصل لاسته راوړ. Since there was plenty of food, څنګه چې ډېر زیات خواړه وو, the Pharaoh decided to have a party. فرعون تصمیم ونیو چې یو میلمستیا وکړي. The party was a happy affair. میلمستیا چې وه یو خوشحاله جشن و. For 5 days they had a huge feast. تر 5 ورځو پورې دوی یو غټ میلمستیا درلودله. Monkey was very happy. بیزو ډېره خوشحاله because of the famine د وچکالۍ له امله. He was very slim. هغه ډېر نری وه. He wanted to eat a lot of food. هغه غوښتل چې ډېر زیات خواړه وخوري. When he arrived at the feast, کله چې هغه جشن ته راورسېده, hundreds of long tables were filled with food. په سلهاوو اوږده میزونه د خوړو څخه ډک وو. There were nuts, زړي وو, balls of cereal, د حبوباتو کاسې ډکې وې, and ripe fruit او پخه میوه وه. He could also smell hot roasted meat. هغه هم چې کولی شي چې حس کړي ګرمه پخه شوې یا سره شوې غوښه, cooking on their stove چې په منکل باندې پخه وه. The assembly of animals was merry. د حیواناتو غونډه یا راجمع کېدنه چې وه خوشحاله وه. However, during the feast, که څه هم د جشن په جریان کې, monkey thought of a scheme to exploit the pharaoh's kindness. monkey داسې یو پلان ونیو چې د فرعون د مهربانۍ څخه سوء استفاده وکړي. He decided to steal some of the food and then eat it at home. هغه تصمیم ونیو چې یو څه خواړه غلا کړي او بیرته خپل کور کې وخوري. All the animals were cheerful. ټول حیوانات خوشحاله وو. They didn't notice that monkey was hiding food. هغوی پوه نه شول چې بیزو خواړه پټول. After the feast, وروسته د جشن څخه, monkey took the food to his house and ate it. شادي خواړه خپل کور ته یوړل او ویې خوړل. He repeated this routine every day 4 days. هغه دغه فعالیت هره ورځ 4 ورځې پورې تکرار کړ. On the 5th day, په 5مه ورځ باندې, the pharaoh had a surprise. فرعون حیران شولو. He was going to give all the animals a home. هغه تصمیم ونیو چې ټولو حیواناتو ته به کور ورکړي. Monkey was very excited. شادي بیزو ډېره خوشحاله وه. But when he arrived at the pharaoh's home, مګر هغه چې کله د فیرو کور ته ورسېده, he could not get through the door. هغه دروازې نه نشو تېرېدلی. The diameter of his waist was wider than the doorway. He was too fat. د هغې د ملا دغه مینځ کرښه چې وه پراخه وه, د دروازې څخه هغه ډېر زیات چاق شوی و. Monkey asked the pharaoh to forgive him for his theft. بیزو د فرعون څخه غوښتنه وکړه چې هغې د غلا لپاره یې وبخي, but the pharaoh said no. Pardon. مګر فرعون ورته وویل چې بخښنه نشته. Asked the monkey. He did not understand why the pharaoh was being unkind. هغه پوه نه شو چې دا فرعون ولې ظالمه شو. Everybody else will have a home now, but not you. هر څوک به کور لاسه راوړي مګر ته نه. Now you know that greed gets you nothing. اوس به ته پوه شې چې خیر ستا ته هېڅ شي نشي درکولی. Explained the pharaoh. فرعون ورته وویلې.